Hello, dear audience, honorable viewers. This is Sher Afzal, the chairman, the founder of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA. The journey of 8 years took me across the globe for the enhancement, for the growth of businesses. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. Build Asia 21st Expo is being organized by e-commerce gateways. The ultimate objective of Global CEO Club is to strengthen businesses all over the world, to support business community, to have alliances, to have collaborations, to have partnerships all over the world. Thank you. Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club. Today we are here at Expo Center, Lahore, Pakistan. As you know, the motto, the slogan of Global CEO Club is to create alliances, is to create partnerships for the business community across the globe. This expo is being organized by e-commerce gateway Pakistan, Build Asia, with the name of Build Asia. Mr. Farooq Javed from Payvex Group is with us. I request Mr. Farooq, please share with us about your brand, about your company, please.
Well, sir, my name is Farooq Javed. I am CEO of Payvex Group. We are in the business of producing concrete products, and when we say that we are producing concrete products, we mean that we are producing pavers, we are producing tough tiles, cobble and OT series tiles. All of these tiles are now being used in the public sector as well as in the private sector. We are doing business all over Pakistan. We have multiple plants. One of our plant is located in Taxila, one of our plant is located in Lahore, and we are doing business with government entities like LDA, PHA, TIPA. These are the major government entities whom we are engaged with for the public projects. In addition to it, we are catering all kind of needs which are associated with private businesses. Either it is a factory, either it is a home, or what you can say, if it is a garden associated in a factory or office area, we are dealing with in everything. One more thing, that our core competence, or what you can say, that are the thing which differentiates us from other paper producing companies is that the pigment which we use. The pigment which we use is of international quality, and we import it, and we guarantee that the pigment that we will add in our products, it will sustain for the life. For all of it, we provide a guarantee for lifetime for the pigment. And the first day you will install our product, even after 20-25 years, the product quality will remain same.
Thank you, Mr. Farooq. Your contribution towards community sustainability is very remarkable and appreciable.
Thank you.
Keep it up. And again, I would like to invite you people to be part of Global CEO Club, so that international presence can be sought through Global CEO Club.
Sure.
As I told you, that Global CEO Club is available in every country of the world. The board members of Global CEO Club are from foreign countries. All the board members are from foreign countries, and be part of Global CEO Club if you people are seeking international growth, international market share.
Definitely, sir. We will engage with you, and we are looking forward to be a part of Global CEO Club.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice time.
Thank you.